Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be sharing with you an easy charcoal pencil sketching of Ganesh ji. So without wasting any moment, let's start today's video. So I already done with my sketching. Now I will be using this set of pencil to sketch my Ganesh ji. So now using a 4B pencil I just outline my elements. And here I use my hands to smudge the charcoal. So using the same technique I complete the ears, hands and every area. This is my first video related to charcoal sketching. So if you like this video, do share with me some ideas so that I will make videos on that topic. If you like my work, so you can follow me on my Insta. As you guys know that this channel is new, so all the updates of this channel I post on my Insta art account, which is Crafty Bongs, so you can follow me there also. So now I complete my second layer of shading and it looks more beautiful now. Here I am using 8B pencil to show the depth. If you are new to this channel, do subscribe because every week I post art videos on different topics and I like to share with you all the art forms which I can do, and also love to take challenges which you love to see. So it will be more fun. So join me on my art journey. So now for the background, here I am using my watercolors and draw a square. So lastly, with the red tika I will complete my Ganesha. So if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe and comment down below what you want to see next. So thank you and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.